Good morning, friends. The last sessions. Good morning, friends. Last sessions, I just complete the basic explanation for equivalent production with which method, friend? FIFO. Okay. In that, friends, I just explain little bit. I make revision on that part. Then after we go for the practical question. Under equivalent production for opening WIP, we take, friend, further process percentage. For introduced units only we put up in the input columns. For completed units, transfer minus what, friend? Opening WIP. We take, friends, 100% because started in the current period and completed in which period, friend? Current year. In addition to that, friends, normal loss dash because there is no cost allocation to normal loss. Abnormal loss we take percentage of completion or 100%. And at last, friends, closing WIP percentage of completion. Abnormal gain is matter of deduction, but always we take how much percentage, friends? 100%. Clear my wordings? Okay. And one major condition part under FIFO methods, opening WIP percentage of completion must be given in the questions, otherwise FIFO method is not possible. And if you remember, I explained the steps. First of all, we calculate equivalent production, then after we calculate cost per unit, and then after analysis of process, and at last we prepared process accounts. So how we put up these steps, that today we should have to see. So please open up question number 5, page number 113. Ready, friends? Please emphasize. Following data pertain to the process 1, March 2007, Bata Limited. Opening WIP given 1500 units and cost given 15,000. Degree of completion given material 100% and labor and overhead 33.33%. Input of material 18,500. Cost given 52,000. Direct labor and overheads given 14,000 and 28,000. Closing WIP given, friend, 5,000 unit and degree of completion given material 90%. Labor and overhead how much percentage, friend? 30%. Okay. Normal loss is given 10% of total inputs. Please underline the words total inputs. Total input is nothing but opening WIP plus what, friend? Input. Scrapped value given 2 rupees and unit transfer to next process is 15,000. Friends, unit transfer is 15,000. Out of that opening WIP 1500. So I can say remaining figure of 13,500 we classified as completed units, and for that we take how much percentage, friends? 100%. Agreed? What exactly asked? Friends, compute equivalent units of production, then after compute cost per equivalent units of each element, material, labor and overheads, compute, friend, cost of finished output and closing WIP and prepared process and other accounts. Okay, one by one we proceed. Friends, I show you complete solution. Please emphasize and focus properly. Why? Because after solving this question, all the questions solution remains stereotype. So once you understood this question, sequence of calculation would be clear to you. Ready? So I start solution for question number 5, equivalent production with which method, friend? FIFO methods. Agreed? Let's start. Working notes number 1. Equivalent production with which method, friend? FIFO. Input, particulars, output, material, labor and overheads. Friends, for labor and overhead I keep the common column because their percentage of completion given what, friends? Same. If percentage of completion for labor and overhead given different, then we should have to prepare separate column for labor and what, friend? Overheads. Friends, inner column percentage units, percentage units. Ready friends? Okay. Let's start with opening WIP. Tell me friends, how much unit given? 1500. This 1500 we put up on both the side friends. Input also and what friend? Output also. Tell me friend, material how much completed? 100%. So further process would be what friend? Dash. Everybody understood? Once again I repeat, material how much completed? 100%. So last year 100% completed. So current year what we work? Nil. So we write down dash. Just verify friends. Labor and overhead how much completed? 33.33%. So what we further process in the current year? 66.67. How much unit friends? 1000. Once again I repeat, this is completed 100% last year, so current year no work. This is completed last year 33.33%, so current year we work 66.67%. So for opening WIP we take further process percentage. Next item, introduce. 18,000 what friend? 500. Here dash. Why? Because only put up in which column? Input columns. Completed units. How to calculate? Transfer units minus opening WIP. So just check friend, transfer unit is 15,000 minus 1500. How much friend? 13,500 units started in the current year and completed in which year friend? Current year. Always how much percentage? 100% friends. Clear? Okay. Next item, normal loss. It is given 10% of total inputs. Total input friend 1500 plus 18,500. So I can say 20,000. How much coming up friends? 2,000. Which loss? Normal loss. Everywhere dash. Why everywhere dash? Because there is no cost allocation to normal loss. Next item friends, that is closing WIP. Please verify friends, how much unit? 5,000. Now friend, for 5,000 unit, please verify percentage of completion given. Material how much completed friend? 90%. And labor and overhead how much completed? 30%. So take one by one. Here 90%, here 30%. So 4,500 and here 1,500. Now friends, I am comparing input sides and output sides. If you check friends, input sides total coming up, that is 20,000. And friends, output sides total if you compare, that coming up 22,000. Now friend, 2,000 is more, so abnormal gain come into picture. Just take it for example, here 20 coming up and here 18 coming up, then it is abnormal loss. But this is total more, so we require to deduct. And matter of deduction is which item friend? Abnormal gain. Okay friends, so abnormal gain coming up, how much friends? 2,000. So always input and output sides required to be matched. Balancing figure generally abnormal loss or abnormal gain. It is a matter of deduction and always how much percentage? 100%. Why? Because that we get the idea only and only after completion of what friend? Production. Ready friends? Just check equivalent units friends. Here 16,000 and here 14,000. Everybody clear? Okay friends. first of all write down these things, then after I show you working notes number 2, that is statement showing cost per unit. Yes, what is question from there, Adun?
Can you please repeat the part for completed units?
Okay, again I repeat, please emphasize. Now, it's very important that whatever completed units, that is nothing but transfer unit minus what, opening WIP, how it is coming up I tell you. Current year we completed 15,000 unit. Out of this 15,000 unit, 1500 units coming from what, friend? Opening WIP, and that was closing WIP in which year, friend? Last year. So that 1500 you brings in the current year and you complete first, because you are following FIFO method. So first of all you are completing what, friend? Opening WIP. So total 15,000 completed during the years of transfer. Out of that 1500 belongs to opening, and that we complete in the current year. But remaining 13,500 is such a unit which is started in the current year and completed in which year, friend? Current year. And that's why we always take how much percentage, friends? 100%. Clear these things? So this is completed units 13,500. Always we take transfer unit minus what, friend? Opening WIP. Tell me, clear?
Closing work in progress also. The closing work in progress also.
Okay. Now please emphasize, for opening WIP, it is very clear that last year it was closing WIP. So friends, last year whatever completed, remaining portion we will complete current year. So closing WIP is exactly reverse of that. Means closing WIP started in the current year, but still it is not completed. So for closing WIP, we take percentage of completion, means whatever we work in the what, friend? Current year. So current year you started and you completed how much percentage? 90%, and what, friend? 30%. So that much percentage we take. So you just take it that way, opening and closing exactly adverse to each other. Means here we take further process percentage, and here we take, friend, percentage of completion. Yes, same thing if you consider in the next year, then 10% we work in the next year, and here 70% we work in which year, friend? Next year. So just take it that way, opening WIP always we take further process percentage, means whatever completed in the last year, remaining we complete in the current year. While for closing WIP started in the current year, and friend, whatever percentage given, that much we consider into equivalent productions. Clear? Tell me, friend, from Dehradun, everybody clear?
Sir, please can you repeat again the normal loss?
Yes. Just verify, normal loss it is given 10. Total normal loss, friends, it is given 10% of the total inputs. Tell me, opening WIP how much? 1500, and introduce unit how much? 18,500. So total inputs how much coming up? 20,000. On that 20,000 we apply 10%. So that becomes our which loss, friend? Normal loss. And for normal loss I write down everywhere dash. Why? Because there is no cost allocation to normal loss. Normal loss simply we sell in the market, and sales proceed we credit to cost. But no cost allocation to what, friend? Normal loss. That's why equivalent production always what, friend? Dash. Tell me, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now friend, just complete these equivalent units. Then after I proceed for second working notes, that is statement showing cost per unit. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. Okay, so this is our first working notes, equivalent units. You say, sir, what is the meaning of this equivalent units? So I tell you, this is production for the current year. How much material? 16,000, and labor and overhead, how much friend? 14,000. Now what I do in the next calculation friends, whatever current year cost, that I divide by current year production. So we can get cost per unit of elements. How exactly we present, that I show you. Just put a heading friend, working notes number 2. Statement showing cost per unit. Total cost, equivalent production, and cost per unit. We can say CPU. First item friends, that is material, 52,000 given friends. Please verify first item. From that 52,000 I am deducting 4,000. You say, sir, this 4,000 how coming up? So very simple. Normal loss unit how much? 2,000 into 2 rupees sales proceed. So sales proceed of normal loss we deduct from material cost. If you remember when you learn cost sheet friends, at the time you learn these rules, if sales proceed of abnormal loss, then credit to production overhead. But sales proceed of normal loss would be deduct from what friends? Material cost. Remember question of head and handles friends. So in that you learn that things. So now 52,000 minus what friend? 4,000. And once again I repeat friends, always you deduct sales proceed of normal loss. Actual loss what coming up doesn't matter. Here always we consider which loss friends? Normal loss. Fit in your minds. Friend, 48,000 coming up net cost after deducting that sales proceed. This 48,000 we divide with 16. So how much rupees coming up friend? 3 rupees. Next labor, 14,000. How much friends? 1. And overheads, 28,000 divided by 14,000. Friends, everybody understood? Material equivalent unit is how much friends? 16,000. And labor and overhead equivalent unit is how much friends? 14,000. Here too. So total coming up friends 6. This is my cost per unit total, and element wise we get. Still friends, next working note pending, that is analysis of process afterwards. First of all write down this. Tell me friends, everybody complete? So this is cost per unit. Now I proceed for analysis of process. Please check. Ready friends? Full concentration friends. First part. Opening WIP units, or make it out opening WIP value friends instead of units. How much? 15,000. Friend, this 15,000 cost you already incur in the last year. You carry forward to current year. Second, that is plus opening WIP, further process. How to calculate? So friends, material dash, no further process. Please verify equivalent units. Labor and what friends? Overheads. How much further process friends? 1000 unit. 1000 unit. Friends, these units I am pick up from equivalent production table. Please everybody verify how I take up this 1000. Remember friends, there we consider friends 66.67 further process. So that is 1000 unit. Now this 1000 unit multiplied by cost per unit for that element. For labor friend cost per unit is 1 and for overhead cost per unit is how much friend? 2. So rules is very clear. Unit you pick up from equivalent production statement and cost per unit you pick up from CPU table. Ready? Please emphasize how we put up. This is 1000. This is 2000. So total value coming up for further process 3000. And if you check properly, this is nothing but a value for 1500 units. Opening WIP carry forward from the previous year, and on that we work this much. So this is total value for how much unit friend? 1500. Now in that I add completed units 13,500 into 6. Clear? Friends, total coming up 81,000. Friends, this is cost for 1500, this is cost for 13,500. So whatever grand total coming up, that is cost for 15,000. I can say cost of transfer unit? Yes. 99,000, that is cost of transfer units. And indirectly we can say it is how much unit friend? 15,000. Everybody clear? Okay. Now friends, still we should have to prepare working notes for closing WIP and abnormal gain afterwards. First of all, write down this. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. So first part, that is value of opening WIP. Second part, that is value of opening WIP further process. So that is total cost of opening, and thereafter in that we add friends completed units. So 1500 cost, 13,500 cost. This is total cost of transfer. How much unit, friend? 15,000. So up to third part I completed. Now I carry over these working notes with fourth part. That is nothing but closing WIP valuation. So please emphasize. First of all, tell me, everybody complete this first three part? Okay, let's check part 4. Friends, closing WIP. Against rules same, friends. Unit we pick up from equivalent units and cost we pick up from what, friends? CPU table. Please check. Material, labor and overheads. Just check, friend. Unit 4,500, 1,500 and 1,500. 3, 1 and 2. 13,500, 1,500, 3,000. Total 18,000. That is value of closing WIP. And the last but not least working notes, abnormal gain. For abnormal gain, you know very well, always 100%. So directly we take, friend, 2,000 into 6. So value coming up 12,000. Ready? Friend, this is all working notes we prepared. Now final answer I am preparing. This is process accounts. Two column, friends. Units and amount. Ready? Tell me, friends, opening WIP. How much unit, friend? 1,500. Against that cost 15,000. After that, one by one we debit the cost. So friends, material 18,500 units. Gross value how much, friend? 52. You say, sir, we not debit 48,000. No, friend. 4,000 normal loss, sales proceed we credit. In which account, friend? Process accounts. Agreed? Next item, labor. 14,000. Overheads 28,000. And remember, friends, abnormal gain. How much you need? 2,000. And for that cost we already calculate 12,000. Okay. Now credit side items. Normal loss. Friend, 2,000 unit and sales proceed how much, friend? 4,000. Friend, transfer to the next process 15,000 unit and my cost is 99,000. Remember, friends, working notes. Okay. And last, closing WIP 5,000 units and here cost 18,000. Total would be 22. Here total would be 121. Final answers. Clear? So first question we solved with equivalent production. Friends, FIFO methods. Clear? Write down final part. Tell me friends, everybody complete process accounts? Okay. Now friends, this is question we solved with abnormal gain. And now we switch over to the next question. There we get abnormal loss. So one by one we cover the varieties friends. So please emphasize on question number 6. First of all I read this question and then after we solve these questions. Following data is available in respect of the process 1 for the February 2007. Please emphasize opening stocks given friends WIP 800 units at a total cost of how much friend 4,000. Degree of completion given friends opening WIP, that is material 100%, labor and overhead 60%, 60%. So I can say material further process would be nil and labor and overhead further process how much friend 40%. Very simple. Friends, input units given friend 9,200 and against that cost given 36,800. From this material cost we deduct friend sales proceed of normal loss. Okay. Direct wages, production overheads. Units scrapped given. I can say this is loss units, stage of completion given. Okay, they talk about friends percentage of completion for abnormal loss. But I tell you one thing, this is 1200 total loss given. Out of this total loss, we calculate friends normal loss. This normal loss unit we exclude. Remaining loss would be considered as what friend? Abnormal. And on that abnormal loss, we are applying percentage of completion. So you should say normal loss how much? Wait, it is coming up friends. Closing WIP given 900 units. Stage of completion given okay 100%, 70% and 70%. 7,900 units completed and transferred to next process. Friends, out of 7,900, opening WIP how much given friend? 800. Okay, so 7,900 minus 800. So remaining unit is how much? 7,100. That is classified as completed units started in the current year and completed in which year friend? Current year. And that's why we take up how much percentage? 100%. Normal loss given 8% of the total inputs. Again words used friend, total input. Just check opening WIP 800 units given and unit introduced given 9,200. So 800 plus 9,200 total units coming up 10,000. On that 10,000 apply 8%. So it is coming up friend 800. So 800 unit is normal loss. Total scrap unit how much given friend? 1200. So out of 1200, 800 is normal. So remaining 400 would be classified as what friend? Abnormal. Everybody understood? And to that 400 units of abnormal, we are applying this percentage of completion, that is 100%, 80% and 80%. Clear? Okay. Read further. Scrap value given 4 rupees. So friends, 800 units is normal loss. On that we multiply 4 rupees. So 3,200 is my sales proceed of normal loss. Deduct from which cost friends? Material cost. Requires what? Compute equivalent production, calculate cost per unit of equivalent units, calculate cost of abnormal loss, gain, closing WIP and transfer unit with FIFO methods, and last prepared which account? Process accounts. So I tell you, all the solution is stereotype, all working notes remains what friends? Same, only figures change. So again I proceed for this solution. Last time in question number 5 we got abnormal gain. This time friends we get abnormal what friend? Loss. Let's start one by one. I am starting my solution with equivalent production. Working notes number 1. Please emphasize. equivalent production with FIFO methods. Output, material, labor and overheads. Common column because percentage remains same. Inner column percentage in units, ready friends? Start with opening WIP. 800 units we put up both the sides. Tell me material how much completed? 100%. So further process would be what? Friend dash. Clear? Okay. And what about labor and overhead completed, friend? 60%. So further process 40%. 320. Very simple. Next introduce. 9200. Only in which column, friends? Input columns. Okay. Next item completed. So transfer unit 7900 minus opening 800. $7,100. $100, 100%. Always. Why? Because started in the current year and completed in the current year. Very simple. Next item, normal loss. Friends, 8% of 10,000. How this is coming up? 800 plus 9,200 total. How much coming up, friend? 10,000. On that we take how much percentage? 8%. So 800 is my normal loss. Dash, 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 dash. Why? Because there is no cost allocation to normal loss. Total scrap unit given, friend, 1200. So out of that 800 is normal. So remaining 400 would be classified as what, friend? Abnormal loss. Clear? And for that, friend, percentage of completion given 100% for material, and for labor and overhead how much? 80%. $320. Simple. Next item, closing WIP. Friend, 900 units given. For that, please verify percentage of completion. Material 100% and labor and overhead how much? 70%. So I take here 900 and here 630. Friends, input output total exactly match. Now here we write down unit, friend, that is 8,400. And here 8370. So I complete first working note. Still working notes number 2 pending, that is statement showing cost per unit. But before that, dictate this. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. Now friends, working notes number 2 or our answer B friends, that is statement showing cost per unit. Please emphasize. Particular total cost, equivalent production, cost per unit. Ready? Please emphasize. Material. $36,800 given friend minus 3,200. Friends, remember normal loss how much? 800. So friends, normal loss 800 multiplied by sales proceed how much rupees? 4 rupees. So 3,200 we credit to our material cost. Net cost coming up friend 33. 600 divided by 8,400 equivalent units. How much rupees friends? 4 rupees. Simple? Okay. Next item. Labor. Once again I repeat friends, always we deduct sales proceed of normal loss. How much actual loss? Forget. Clear? Now friends, here unit your cost we put up 16 740 8370 2 overheads 8370 83701. So cost per unit coming up friends 7. Please complete. Then after again I join you for analysis of process. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. So this is statement showing cost per unit. Now I just go for working notes number 3, that is analysis of process accounts. Please emphasize. Ready friends, sequence remains same, what I follow in the last question. First part, opening WIP value. $4,000 plus second part, opening WIP, further process. Material, labor, and overheads. Please verify, friends, equivalent production. Material further process would be what, friend? Dash. And for labor and overhead, friend, further process given 320, 320. So I pick up the figure from equivalent production statement, and now I multiply by cost per unit for individual elements, that is 2 and 1. Everybody clear? Okay. Now we find out value 640 and 320. Total 960. So this is nothing, opening WIP value plus opening WIP further process. So I can say this is nothing but cost for my opening WIP 100% completed. Now in that, friends, we add completed units. How much, friends? 7,100. Please check part 3. $7,100 into 7. 49,700. Total 54,660. This is cost of transfer units. I can say 7,900 units. Clear? Because first that is for 800 units. And this is for 7,100 units. So we can get total cost for 7,900 units that we name as a cost of transfer unit. Still, friend, other working notes is pending afterwards. First of all, write down this. Complete, friends, cost of transfer unit. Now next to working notes part, that is fourth one, closing WIP. Let's pick up unit from equivalent production. Material, labor and overheads. 900, 630, 630. Multiply by cost per unit. Consider from CPU table. 421, 3600, 1240, 630. Total 5490. Simple? Okay. Next things. Fifth working notes, that is for abnormal loss. Last time remember abnormal gain. Friends, take abnormal loss equivalent units. Material, labor and overheads. 400, 320, 320. 4, 2 and 1. 1600, 640, 320. Total 2560. Now we prepared final answer. Process accounts. One, two. Labor. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is question from Himmatnagar? Labor? 1260. Okay, that I rectify already. Okay. Now friends, we completed, that is closing WIP working notes and abnormal loss. Now we prepared one by one process accounts items. Please emphasize. Tell me, opening WIP units how much? 800. Cost 4000 already given. Material 9200. Gross value, friend, 36800. Why? Because normal loss sales proceed we credit in the process accounts. Labor 16740. Overheads 8370. Clear? Debit side items over. Now we take up credit side items. Tell me normal loss. 800 and 3200. Transfer 7900 units and cost 54,660. Friends, all the figures we pick up from the working notes. Abnormal loss, unit 400, cost 2560. Last closing WIP 900, 5490. Clear? Now please verify total. 10,000, 65910. Simple friends. Still friends, after process account I will show you other accounts. Other accounts means normal loss and what friend, abnormal loss accounts. But first of all you complete this. Completed friends, process accounts. Now I just present to you two additional ledgers, that is other ledgers we can say, normal loss accounts and abnormal loss accounts, one by one. Please emphasize. We already seen in the first 4 questions we prepared that things. Please check how to proceed. Normal loss accounts, and abnormal loss accounts. Debit process accounts 3200 sorry, and by cash or bank same amount 32. Why? Because actual loss is more than what friend normal, and here friends process 2560, against that we credit sales proceeds, cash or bank. Number of units how much friend? 400 into sales proceed friends 4, so realizable value 1600. Now I tell you friend, normal loss and abnormal loss, sales proceed always remain same, so balance amount we are transferring to cost P&L, that is 960. Clear? So simple extension. After process accounts we prepare normal loss and abnormal loss accounts. Please complete. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. Now same ledgers if you want to prepare for question number 5, means what we complete previously. So that also I show you friends, you know very well. In that questions our normal loss is 2000 unit, but abnormal gain is also 2000 unit. It means our actual loss is what? Nil. Understood? So exactly how we present that ledgers, that also I show you friends. So please emphasize. I just go back to question number 5, and in that I will show you extension, that is normal loss and abnormal gain accounts. Please emphasize. Normal loss accounts, and second abnormal gain accounts. First of all, let's pick a figure from process accounts. $4,000 normal sales proceeds. Here friends, from process accounts. How much friend? 12,000. Now you know very well friend, this time abnormal gain 2000 unit and normal loss is also 2000 units, means actual loss is what friend? Nil. If actual loss is nil, what is sales proceed here friend? Nil. And if sales proceed nil, total 4,000 balance required to be transferred to which account friend? Abnormal gain accounts. And net balance would be transferred to cost, profit and loss accounts. So once again I repeat, my normal loss unit is 2000, my abnormal gain unit is also 2000, so my actual loss is nil. So sales proceed of normal loss actual way coming up nil, and that's why less sales proceed of normal loss due to abnormal gain required to be debit to which account friend? Abnormal gain. So here write down friends, abnormal gain 4,000, this accounts close, here debit, normal loss 4,000, and net results would be transferred to cost P&L. Clear friends? So I just give additional ledgers for question 5. Tell me friends, everybody calculate. So this is nothing but friend, two simple questions today we solved on FIFO methods and equivalent production. In first question we can get abnormal gain, and the second question means question number 6 we can get abnormal what friend? Loss. Everybody understood? Okay, so steps you should have to remember, and I tell you friends, everywhere steps remains what friend? Same, that is equivalent production, then after cost per unit calculation, analysis of process accounts, and at last friends process accounts. So this systems remains up to last same, only figures would be what friend? Change, and few concept level you should have to emphasize properly okay, what is special treatment for that specific concept. So friend, basic question of FIFO method today I am cover up, that is 2 example. Next session we will go for friends average method. Yes, first of all I will cover up all basics question for individual methods and average and FIFO, and then after we go for advanced question category for FIFO and average. Clear? Today time not permits, so I just conclude this session here only. But I just indicate again, friends, don't forget my next session for costing, that is Saturday afternoon 4:30 to 6. This is additional session I put up in the last week itself, so don't forget to attend that sessions. Clear? So for today, let it be enough part. Wait for next sessions. Thank you very much, friends.